Hi, Bruce and Melinda McNaughton here. Today I'm going to just give you a brief overview of the plumbing connections for the Enagic SD501. So I've installed a three-way diverter valve here. You see a little excess running off here. We just had some water on, so that's dripping. And I've positioned the ionizer machine here in the rear of my sink. Seemed to be a nice, convenient location to locate this. And we just kind of have the hoses just come around the back here and go right into the three-way diverter valve. Have the outlet right here. And, you know, typical sink disposal. Wanted to show you the under-the-counter mounting that we've done here. Maybe some of the plumbing if I can get to it and see it. So we come up and get the cold water line and plumb it into the main faucet and plumb it into the diverter valve. Ion faucet has supplied the three filter setup here, and we're basically just filtering out the bad sediment, chlorine, fluoride, and the basic things that we don't want. Ion faucet will do a study of your water and make a recommendation of what items to remove from your water. This device is made specifically for the Levoluke SD501 or other water ionizers made by Enagic. So the plumbing is very simple. The operation now makes it nice and simple. We don't have a diverter valve right on our faucet head or anything like that, so that's been removed. And just kind of put right over here. We just turn it on nice and slow. So we make the highest amount of antioxidant 8.5 Kangen water. And, you know, this will go much faster too. You know, you can open it wide open and it'll flow, but for health purposes we want to have it running as slow as possible. And you know, we have our supply here providing our Kangen water. Coming out the diverter valve is the acidic water. We're basically separating the water as the water passes through the machine. Power off. And this is the basic hookup for the SD501. I did want to take the time though to show you the parts that are being used here. And I have a IF03 faucet from Ion Faucet here. And we show the parts list here, just the faucet mounting, rubber washer, slotted washers, some of the feed tubing, universal adapters, and some of the hosing that's required and the fittings. They give you a nice instruction manual, easy to follow. You can see your washers there and some of your clear hosing, and we opted to get the in our setup is equal to this, which is the nickel diverter valve. It's very easy to install. It was installed right into our soap dish dispenser that was in our sink. So we just unscrewed that and screwed this one in. Plumbing for this particular setup here is about $100 from your local plumber. Very simple. It went in within about a half hour. and no real special tools need, just a plumber basically to crawl underneath your sink, mount your 3-filter system with 2 screws to secure it into the side of the cabinet, and then basically make the plumbing connections. And now it's just, real simple to use, and at a moment's notice. And we can be making any one of our Kangen waters here.
Strong acidic water. Kangen water 8.5.
So we're new to the machine, so we're still drinking 8.5. And we do keep our diverter valve turned on the low setting here, so we get just the nicest, highest antioxidant water. And seems to be working very well. We enjoy it. And the benefits that we're seeing right now, just after about 8 days, is just a lot of energy and feeling a lot better. We have a bunch of little kids, which obviously keep us very busy, and the Kangen water system here is a big help because we need all the energy we can get. Well, thanks for visiting, and we'll be back to you soon. This is Bruce and Melinda McNaughton, CleanKangenWater.com.